Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a inner door trim panel from a 2016 Honda Civic driver's side front door. So we want to start off by removing the window and lock control panel, and you can use a flathead, but I'm just using a plastic pry rod. It helps from screwing up the door panel, but you're just going to want to get in between there and just wiggle it back and forth and just work it up. And then just work your way back. Pull up on it. And unplug these plugs. And then there's a screw right there. We're going to take that screw out. And then what I do is I put a screwdriver between the door panel and the actual metal part of the door. So get this in the picture. And I use that to pry against when I'm pulling on it. So I put one hand on the door and one hand on the panel, and I pull at the same time. And that snaps the panel loose. Once this breaks loose right here, you're going to want to pull up on the door panel. And that's all there is.